What's up guys, Amy here. Just a quick tutorial on how to create an email broadcast in GrooveMail using tags and segments. You ready? Let's go. Okay guys, assuming you watched my GrooveMail part 1, you already know how to create tags. In this example, we're going to create a segment using tags to send out an email broadcast. So you will go to tags and then click on segments, click on new segments. We'll call this segment People Tagged Amy Funnel Bootcamp and click on create segment. Under included, we're going to click on the drop down arrow and click on has tag. Click on the second select button. My tag is under leads. That will load the specific tag and I want to add Amy Funnel Bootcamp and then click add. Now we don't need to exclude anyone on specific lists or tags, but if you want to, that option is available here for you and then you will click on add. And because I only want to create a segment out of this specific tag, I can click on save and exit. Next, we're going to click on campaigns and broadcast. Let's click on new campaign. Under info, I've just called it Happy New Year's with an Amy Funnel Bootcamp segment, and you can put the same description or be more detailed if you want. Then click save and next. Under account communication gateway, we'll leave it set to send by email because SMS is not available yet. Under sender details, select the sender ID that you've already set up. Click save and next. In communication recipients, you've got included, so you can select people who have subscribed to a list, has a tag, or has been added to a segment. So let's click added to a segment. And the segment we created was people tagged with Amy Funnel Bootcamp. Select that and click add. Right now, I only have one test email in that segment. So that's correct. And it'll show you lead selected, emails filled in, and the number in that segment. Let's click on save and next. For message in the subject headline, I'll just put this Happy New Year's preview. Just add a snippet of text to read before they open if you want to. I'm just going to leave it as is. For body message, let's open up a HTML editor. I've already entered some placeholder text and it's given me a formatted HTML version. So what I'm going to do is copy over on the left corner, switch this to view HTML, paste it in there. Switch it back and that all looks good. Now I just need to personalize it, and what I'll do is delete that, enter first name, hey first name, and this, even though it looks very squashed, it's actually formatted neatly over in the HTML editor. Once you're happy with that, click save and next. Under send schedule, you have the option of sending the email broadcast now, scheduling it for later, or saving as a draft. Now, if you click on schedule for later and click on select date and time, the calendar will pop up. Let's say that we're scheduling this on the 1st of January and click next. Select the time. So I'm just going to select this at 18:03. Press OK. And this time and date is set in EST time. That's something to be aware of. And click save and next. It'll give you a summary of your broadcast details and click save and exit. To view the analytics of your broadcast, you can go to analytics, click on broadcast, go to the broadcast name, click on the link here, and then you'll have a summary of the ID, the name, description, how many clicks, how many opens, recipients sent. At this stage, you can only see basic analytics, but hopefully when they're out of beta, you get more detailed analytics. Alright guys, hit that like button, check out my other videos on GrooveMail, and until next time, see ya!